Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into CrowdStrike. We previously published a report on our website, but now we have an even more detailed analysis to share with you. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We want you to stay informed about any important updates that could impact your investments. Want to make better trading decisions? Try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 7.13. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have witnessed an impressive gain of 71.97% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 59 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.22% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Over the next 3 months, the stock's trend suggests a possible change of 63.7%, with a potential return ranging between 48.28% and 68.69%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 137.64% over the next year, and a potential return between 60.65% and 97.47%. This could result in a price range of $482.40 to $592.96 after 12 months. Our latest update on CrowdStrike brings exciting news. The headline reads, CrowdStrike stock upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Wednesday's trading session. On the last trading day, Wednesday, January 24, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a 1.01% gain, reaching $300.28 from $297.27. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated 3.02%, starting at a low of $298.54 and reaching a high of $307.55. It's worth noting that the stock has shown an upward trend in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 9.68% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In fact, there were 1 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.14 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price reached $307.55, while the lowest price was $97.26. At present, the price stands at 2.36% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $7.27. It's important to note that this 52-week high of $307.55 is also the all-time high for the stock, making this a significant observation. Today, I want to talk about analyst ratings for CRWD, the stock of CrowdStrike Holdings. On January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded their rating for CRWD to overweight. Moving on to December 21, 2023, we have some interesting ratings from various analysts. Rosenblatt Securities gave CRWD a buy grade, while maintaining a hold action. Needham also gave CRWD a buy grade, with a hold action. Wedbush joined the list of analysts giving CRWD a buy grade, along with a hold action. However, Truist Financial had a different perspective and gave CRWD an underperform grade, also with a hold action. Analysts have given a general buy rating to CrowdStrike stock. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for CrowdStrike. The chart shows mostly positive signals for CrowdStrike stock. Both short-term and long-term moving averages suggest buying the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a dip, there is support at $290.35 and $262.06. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may emerge. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 22.88% so far. We can expect further growth until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume of trades is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has given a buy signal. Pivots also indicate a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 60 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average has given a buy signal 13 days ago. However, the long-term moving average has given a sell signal 185 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages has given a buy signal 218 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. When we talk about support, we mean the price level at which a stock tends to stop falling and start rising again. In the case of CrowdStrike, we can see that there is support just below today's level at $273.77 and $236.99. This means that historically, the stock has found stability around these price points. However, it's important to note that there is always a risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. So, if the support at $273.77 is broken, the next support will be at $236.99 and $234.44. It's also worth mentioning that CrowdStrike is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. Volatility refers to how much a stock's price can change over a given period of time. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock has the potential to move significantly during the day. To put it into perspective, in the last day, the stock moved $9.01 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 3.02% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.47%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. To begin, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This pivotal ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. When a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 5, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. When it comes to resistance levels, CrowdStrike doesn't face any significant obstacles based on accumulated volume. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume as an indicator for the appropriate exit point. On the downside, CrowdStrike has its first support level at $273.77. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received an average buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Centona's Michael sold a total of 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -46.297. In total, insiders bought 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $290.31, which represents a decrease of 3.32%. This particular stock experiences high daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 84, further increasing the risk involved. However, it's worth noting that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike stock shows several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering these factors, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Based on our analysis of volatility and recent market movements, our systems indicate that the current price of CrowdStrike stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, January 25, we expect CrowdStrike to open up $1.84 and start trading at $302.12. Before we dive into today's topic, let's remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Take a look at our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree, so don't hesitate to comment below. And while you're at it, let us know what your target is for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you all the best in your trading endeavors and hope you have a fantastic day. Regards from the entire team at StockInvest.